Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, in this moment I will explain and practice how we pronounce the IPA chart or International Phonetic Chart in English. What is the International Phonetic Alphabet or IPA used for? Learners of foreign language use the IPA to check exactly how words are pronounced. Each IPA symbol represented a sound. For example, a learner of English can use the IPA to find out exactly what sounds are in a word and where the word stays. It is an extremely helpful tool for people learning to speak another language. We will start with IPA short single vowels. The first is E. E. For example, feet and pig. And next, A. A. For example, pet and sand. Next, I. I. The example is pet and flat. Next, A. A. For example, cut, jump. And next, O. For example, pot and book. And next, O. O. The example is pot, dog. Next, E. E. The example is about and system. And now we will pronounce long vowel symbol. The first is E. E. For example, heat, pig. Next, O. O. For example, start, dog. Next, U. U. For example, suit, through. Next, O. O. For example, coat, pork. And the last of long vowel symbol is E. E. For example, hurt, work. And now we will pronounce the consonant sound. And in English, we have 24 consonant sound. Some consonants have voice from the voice box and some don't. We have two parts in consonant sound. There are voiced consonant and unvoiced consonant or voiceless consonant. And first, we will to pronounce the unvoiced consonant. The first is P. P. Pay. Cup. Next, B. B. For example, bat, rub. Next, T. T. For example, tip, letter. Next, D. D. For example, dip, leather. Next, K. K. For example, came, talking. Next, G. G. Game, bigger. Next, F. F. Fine. other. Next, the, while, saving. And next, the, thin, method. Next, the, for example, then, other. And next, for example, Sue, missing. Next, the, for example, zoo, crazy. Next, sh, for example, show, pushing. Next, j, for example, measure, Asia. Next, ch, for example, choke, watching. Next, j, for example, joke, charging. And now we will pronounce the consonant sound voiced consonant. The first is L. For example, love, willow. Next, M. For example, male. Next, N. For example, nail, funny. Next, Ng. For example, singer, sing. Next, H. For example, heal, perhaps. Next, R. For example, real, correct. Next, Y. You, beyond. Next, W. For example, we, showing. And that's all about International Phonetic Alphabet or IPA. And I hope the information in this video will help you understand the International Phonetic Alphabet for English vowel and English consonant, and how to use the IPA to improve your pronunciation in English. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.